In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect or remove a bank account from QuickBooks Online. If you no longer want a bank account connected to QuickBooks, this process is simple and only takes a moment. Disconnecting an account can be helpful if you've linked the wrong account, changed banks, or just want to stop importing transactions automatically. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct QuickBooks Online account and that you have permission to manage connected bank feeds. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and go to Accounting, then select Bank Transactions. This is the area where QuickBooks shows all of your connected bank and credit card accounts, along with any downloaded transactions waiting to be reviewed or categorized. When you're in the Bank Transactions section, find the bank account you want to disconnect or remove. Take a second to verify that you've selected the correct account, especially if you manage more than one bank connection. Choosing the right account here is important, since disconnecting it will stop future transaction downloads for that specific account. Next, on the account card, click the edit icon, which looks like a small pencil. This opens the settings for that bank connection. In the menu that appears, select Disconnect Account. QuickBooks may show a confirmation message to make sure you really want to proceed. This is normal, and it gives you one last chance to double-check before making the change. To continue, click Disconnect to confirm. Once you do that, QuickBooks will remove the live connection to that bank account, and new transactions will no longer download automatically. Keep in mind that disconnecting the account usually does not delete transactions that have already been imported into QuickBooks. It only stops the ongoing sync between your bank and the software. After the account is disconnected, it's a good idea to review your banking page and make sure the change was applied successfully. If needed, you can reconnect the account later by going through the bank connection process again. And that's it. That's how to disconnect or remove a bank account from QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.